Let's see now. Here we have the PWM controller, the display, and adjustment knob, and the switch to reverse the fan. Mine has to be pushed this on 2 after how I have wired it. And this is the wiring. Here you have the plus and the minus. The black wire comes from the original fan, which I have taken out of the hole. So that is plus. And this is the brown one that also came from the fan. This one is originally connected to the earth point, the earth star inside here somewhere. So I have now taken another one, brown one, and connect that one to minus. And this is the battery, plus and minus, and here is the fan motor, plus and minus. The minus to the fan motor I have connected to the brown wire, of course, that was originally on the earth star. And then I noticed when I had the fan open that the resistor has these wires, and the yellow one is directly connected to the motor. This yellow and black goes through the resistor. The same with the white. It's a speed 1 and speed 2, or vice versa. And speed 3 is straight to the motor. So then, yellow one in this place, and this one is of course for the switch, which I just taken out. So that was really a straightforward job, not hard at all. And I also changed the bulb. Take out the faulty bulb, remove it from the holder, and then solder 2 wires to it. I remove the bulb just by cutting a small opening here, and cut the tiny wires, and then you have the bulb like this, and then you have to solder the wires onto it. And I have now put in an RGB LED module, which has light both ways, so it lights here and then backwards. It should look nice, I hope. So now we need to hide this one inside here somewhere, and it should be possible. It's plenty of room. Yes. I managed to wrestle the PWM unit inside here, so it lies like this, and it has no problem with any levers. Everything is working perfectly. I also have to remove this one because of the wires that goes to the potentiometer. Okay, to make a hole for the LCD display, we need to cut a hole in the metal as well. So yeah. Perfect. Yes. So now everything should be good to go. Yes. And one more thing, to put this one inside, I did loosen this to a screw and lift this a little upwards. Then it was just a matter of sliding it in. And then put the screws back on. Now, let's see if I managed to put on the front. The front is, if you have not seen this before, it's 2 taps that goes into these small holes. And the same on this side. Be careful with them when you remove the front, because they breaks very easily. Okay, make sure wires come down and lie under here, and then it's just, I need 2 hands. The one with the heater has some special knobs on the sides. The other one has no knobs. And you also can see there is this bulb, which was on the metal arm, is supposed to fit inside here. So this really is just a one-way installation. Okay guys, here we have it. Purple lighting, same as the radio. Fan knob, also purple lights inside. And then of course you can turn the fan on. And you can hear it starting. Ha! Amazing! Amazing! Yes, still working. Fantastic, eh? This is just so nice. And here also you can see the lighting. Purple, slightly bluish. Same color here and same color here. And everything can be changed by the remote. Fantastic. There you have it guys. I like this option really well, so I highly recommend it. PWM controller for the fan. Fantastic. You just keep smiling. This is so nice. Absolutely nice. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Bye.